Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the third problem of Leet code 75, and the today's problem is kids with greatest number of candies. Leet code 1431, kids with greatest number of candies. So basically this problem says that there are n kids which have candies, and you are given with the array of candies. So you have to tell basically the array of candies, and candies of I represents the number of candies ith position of the children has, and you have to return true or false. You have to return the true and false if after adding extra candies to the ith position of candies greater than the greatest number of candies in the candy array. Basically I am saying that you have given the array of candies and some extra candies, and you have to return the array of boolean true or false for all the childrens if extra candies plus given candy greater than the greatest of the candies array. That means here you see that kid 1 have how many candies? 2. So they will have 2, and if I will give extra candies 3, it becomes 5, which is greater than or equal to 5, which is the greatest in them. Okay, so which is greatest among the kids, because 5 is greatest and 2 plus 3 is also 5, so we push true in the answer. Okay, and for the kid 2 it has 3 candies, and we have, if we give our 3 extra candies, it becomes 6, which is the greatest among the kids, because it is 5, and if we give extra candies it becomes 6, the greatest among the kids, so it is also true. We push next true. For the kid 3, if we give our extra candies 3, it becomes 5 plus 3. Here it becomes 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8, and it is the greatest among the candies array, so we push one more true in this table, in this array. And the next kid 4, it has one candy, and if we give our candy 3, it becomes 4, which is not greater than the greatest number of candies in this array, which is not greater than 5, so we put false in this array. And for the next kid 3, and if we give our 3, it becomes the 6 candy, which is greater than 5, so we push true. Let I will show you in this example. So here it is. I am saying that you have given an array of candies and some extra candies. You have to give extra candies to the children one by one, and you have to tell after giving extra candies if it is greatest in this array or equal to the greatest, then we push true, otherwise false in the array. For candies I shows that the position of children. It means that candies I shows that the number of candies ith position of children has. Like candies of second, which is this, it contains 3. Second children has 3 candies. This is the second children, first, second children. Here we not consider it as a indexing because it is the position of array. So here we see in this example also It is the candies of array. We have extra candies 3, and the greatest among this array is 5. Among these array is 5, and the extra candies we give them all one by one. 2 plus 3, 5, which is greater than, which is equal to 5, because the greatest is 5 in this array. So it is true. We push it into the array. 3 plus 3 greater than 5, also we push it into the array. 5 plus 3, it is also pushed into the array. 1 plus 3, which is 4, which is not greater than 5. So we push false into the array. And 3 plus 3 greater than 5, so we push true into the array. If we see in the next example here, seen next example, so it is the given candies array is this, and extra candies is 1, and the greatest among this array is 4. Okay, so if we add the in this extra candies one by one here, if we add 4 plus 1, which is greater than the greatest, so true. 2 plus 1, which is less than the greatest, so false. We push false. 1 plus 1, which is less than the greatest, so we push false. 1 plus 1, it is also, and in the last we return this array, answer array. So here the basic logic is that we have we have to find, first of all we have to find the greatest among these candies array. Let it be, here it is 5, and after finding this we give these extra candies to all the candidates one by one, and if it is greater than 5 or equal to, then we push true, otherwise false. And after the completing the all the array, we return that answer array. Here I will show you the solution. Here it is. Here it is. Vector bool. We will create an answer of bool type because it asks for this type of return value, vector bool. So for finding the maximum of all candies array, we initialize, we take n maxi variable and initialize with int min because we have to find the maximum. And if candies of I greater than maxi, then we take candies of I in the maxi, update the maxi. From this we get the maximum of the candies array. After that we add the extra candy which we are given in the question one by one. If the extra candies plus the current candy is greater than equal to the maximum candy in that array, then we push true. Here we push true, otherwise else false. So part this part do the work like that, if extra candy plus the current candy is greater than the greatest candy which we get from here, then we push true, otherwise false. After that we will get our answer value and we return the answer and we get that answer. I will show you also on the console. Here, here it is. Wait a minute. This, look. If you run this, it runs perfectly fine because I have already run it. Look, if I will show you, you look, all the test cases will be completely fine. So just do that. Okay. That's it for the